Hello guys, welcome to Smart Life channel. So in this new video we will look about the digestive system. So for today's main topic we will be discussing about the components of the digestive system. So let's get started with the mouth. So the mouth is the entrance part of the digestive system and its function is to break down large crumbs of food into small crumbs. And it also has saliva which contains a enzyme called as amylase. So this enzyme is used to digest carbohydrate from starch to many small sugar molecules. And after that the food will be moved along in the esophagus where it will be not changed. It will be just moving without changing. And it will move into the stomach where all the microorganisms and germs, bacteria that are on the food will be destroyed by the help of hydrochloric acid in the stomach. And also all the food that contain the protein nutrition will be digested into amino acid by the help of an enzyme called as protease. And after that, that food will be moved along the duodenum, which is the entrance path of the small intestine. And the food in the small intestine will be digested furthermore into many sugar molecules by the help of pancreatic juice. So this juice was created by the pancreas and then was transferred to the small intestine to help with the digestion of fat, protein and carbohydrate. So what are the enzymes in this pancreatic juice? So the three main enzymes are protease, lipase and also amylase. So these enzymes help the three main nutrients to be digested from large molecules into small molecules. Nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, water and also fiber are already small molecules. So they do not need to be digested furthermore. And the foods that could not be digested will be transferred to the large intestine, and the food that can be absorbed will be absorbed through the walls of the small intestine, and this process is called absorption. And as I told, the food that could not be digested will be moved along into the large intestine where some of the water will be collected from these foods. And after the water has collected, all the foods collect up and forms feces in the large intestine. So these feces will be then get rid of our body through the anus. So this is the whole process of the digestive system and the components of it. Hope you guys learned something. Bye guys, see you in the next video, and don't please forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Bye guys.